Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to edit information in posted documents. So go to transaction code FB02 here, then press enter. Enter the document number, company code and fiscal year here. Then press enter. Here you can see the two line items for this posted document. Double click on first line item. You can see here the GL account, and here only these two fields you can edit: assignment and text. All the fields you can see that are coming gray. Once you click on more here, you can also check all, all the fields are coming gray out. So here edit option is not available. So only in posted document you can update assignment and text. Press back here. You can also check for the second line item. Here you can see. Then after updating the details, click on save. You can see below message changes have been saved. So by this way you can change the details in posted document in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.